Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this RAYBAO, and it is a compressed air duster. It's very much reflecting off of all my lighting in here, but maybe now it's a little bit not as quite as reflecty, so it's going to be like that. So let me open this up and I'll show you all what's inside. So this is everything here. So we've got a user manual, a little warranty card, a little brush I guess to clean it out with. The device here, it's heavy duty. It's metal. I'll show you here in a second. We have a recharging wire, which will recharge USB to USB-C. We have a nozzle here that'll get it nice and small. Looks like it's going to be a couple sizes. And then we have another cleaning brush. So that's everything. So this is the device here. For fun, let me just go and look at it all here. Okay, the recharging is going to happen back there. So that's where we're going to charge it up. If I push the button here, let me see if I probably have to hold it down. If I hold it down, it blows really strong. Wow, blowing everything left. So double clicking it turns it on, single click, or just holding it down does it manually. So here, push it once, it gets faster, and then faster again, and slow. So yeah, faster, faster. So let's say it's at 3 speeds, and look at this. I could dry my hair with this. So this is super strong compressed air, and boy, that sucks on the other side. So let me show you, if I put this on it, now it'll be in a very small area. I don't know if you can hear me with it going, but let me turn it off. Okay, double click again, turn it off. So you've got this nozzle here, so it'll be like that size, or you can stick it there to be bigger. So this would be great for like in my car where I want to clean off, dust off some of the areas and get some of the gunk out. You can use it like that. So really cool. And then you can use this to brush some of the stuff off if you get dust and whatnot, or just even to loosen things so that you can blow it away. So really cool, really strong. It says its operating voltage is 12 volts. Man, it's 130,000 RPM, so that's pretty darn fast. And it's got a 2,000 milliamp battery, so it's got a big old battery in there to make this thing go. So definitely heavy duty if you need one of these air dusters for the computer, for anything, for the car, whatever. This is probably the way to go with something nice and strong like this. Probably gonna last for forever. So totally cool. It's even got their little logo on the side, so thumbs up for sure.